Once again, welcome to RNA English classes. Have you ever failed in a test, lost a competition, or felt that things were not going your way? What if those setbacks were actually the beginning of something bigger? Today we are exploring the inspiring chapter, World of Limitless Possibilities. This chapter reminds us that challenges do not define our future. Our responses to them does. The key message is simple: every problem hides an opportunity. Every setback can become a comeback. Let's begin our journey into the world of limitless possibilities. Now look at these pictures, these athletes. What comes to your mind when you see these incredible sportspersons? आप सबसे पहले क्या देख पा रहे हैं? Their strength, their determination, or their physical condition. How do these wonderful champions inspire you? These athletes have shown the world that true strength does not lie in body, but in the mind and spirit. Comment your thoughts, admiration, and words of appreciation below. At just age of 19, Avni Lakhera proved that courage can overcome any obstacle. After a spinal cord injury in a car accident that left her wheelchair bound, she turned her struggle into strength. पैराशूटिंग में अपने अद्भुत निशाने और दृढ़ संकल्प से उन्होंने इतिहास रच दिया. She became the first Indian woman to win a Paralympic gold medal at the Tokyo 2020 Paralympics. अवनी की कहानी हमें सिखाती है सीमाएं शरीर में नहीं सोच में होती है. Dream big, aim high, achieve the impossible. Now imagine being hit by 9 bullets and still refuse to give up. ये कहानी है मुरली कांत पेटकर की. A brave Indian soldier who refused to let a locomotor disability define his future. Instead of giving up, he jumped into the pool and chased a bigger dream. स्विमिंग में अपनी जबरदस्त मेहनत और डिटर्मिनेशन के दम पर he won India's first ever Paralympic gold medal in 1972. His life was so inspiring that it became the Bollywood blockbuster Chandu Champion in 2024. Your setbacks don't decide your future. Your courage does. और अब चलते हैं आज के चैप्टर की ओर. Who is Dr. Deepa Malik? She is courageous and optimistic, an excellent para shot put player. She is India's first female Paralympic medalist. Silver medal in 2016 Rio Paralympics. The Paralympics celebrate elite athletes with disabilities, crushing stereotypes. Since debuting in 1968 and securing a historic swimming medal in 1972, Team Bharat has been absolutely dominating on the global stage, proving that limits are just illusion. Turn up for resilience. And this chapter is an interview with Dr. Deepa Malik, one such Paralympian जिन्होंने खेल रत्न, अर्जुन अवार्ड, पद्म श्री अवार्ड सब जीता. She has left an indelible mark on innumerable aspiring athletes. This interview will help you understand the power of resilience. Dr. Deepa Malik, she has been listed as one of the top most inspirational women para-athletics globally by International Paralympic Committee. 29 years की एज में she had an unexpected turn. She was diagnosed with a spine tumor. Surgery was done on her. Doctors ने कहा she will never be able to walk again. She will be on wheelchair forever. Did she give up? No. She had choice either to remorse or to reinvent, and she chose to reinvent. She loved sports. Before this injury, she had been a swimmer, and she chose para-athletics. This is how her Paralympic journey began. इस चैप्टर से, इस इंटरव्यू से you will understand that how her breakthrough moment was 2016 Rio Paralympic Games. She won a silver medal in shot put. This shows her strength, her courage, her purpose. This shows that no limits but only possibilities. No matter what happened over there, it was not a personal victory. Rather, it was a victory that was changing the perceptions of the society. Dr. Deepa Malik is an inspiration. First Indian female para-athlete to win Asian Games medal. India's first female Paralympic medalist across any sport. Several prestigious awards like Padma Shri, Arjun Award, Major Dhyan Chand Award, FICCI, FLO, Women of the Year Award have been given to her. An inspiration redefining possibilities and breaking barriers. Dr. Deepa Malik believed in ability beyond a disability. She fought against societal perceptions. She fought against underestimated abilities. She was able to show her competitive spirit. She breaks through the preconceived notions. A new lease of life pushed boundaries, built her, proved abilities define you, not disabilities. She had the support of her family. She embraced challenges. She turned obstacles into stepping stones, and this is how she framed her journey. Dr. Deepa Malik की journey medal जीतने पर नहीं रुकी. She kept herself in action. She strengthened the emotional health of her persons with challenges. She empowered women through outdoor sports and adventure activities. She supported people from lower socioeconomic strata and provided equipment to para-sports persons. Disability sports awareness and advocacy sessions at schools and colleges. Building a society where everyone, regardless of ability, is treated with dignity and given a fair chance to succeed. वैसे तो इस चैप्टर का मैसेज बिल्कुल क्लियर है, पर फिर भी एक बार रिकंसाइल कर लेते हैं. Challenges can be turned into opportunities with courage and determination. Disability does not limit success. Mindset matters the most. Hard work, resilience, and self-belief help to overcome any obstacles. Sports can break stereotypes and inspire society. We should respect everyone equally and believe in creating an inclusive and compassionate world. I hope you liked the explanation of the chapter World of Limitless Possibilities. Comment for any doubts that you have, share, like and subscribe. For more such videos, visit RNA English classes and do not forget to subscribe.